Welcome everybody from the Productronica show 2021, live here at the Centerstage at JUKI. We are here in Hall A3, booth 141, and we are very excited to present you throughout the days a very comprehensive program here on stage. We are going to kick off with smart shop floor operations powered by JUKI. And I'm welcoming here on stage colleagues from the headquarters of Europe, from Nuremberg. And let me quickly introduce you who is on stage. From the left, we have Bastian Glückselig, who is our product manager for Pick and Place. Continuing with Stephan Leng, who is our product manager for soldering and soldering solutions and for screen printing. I'm jumping to Mr. Jürgen Kugler here on the very right, who is the product manager for software solutions at JUKI. And finally, I'm introducing Vidal from sales. I am happy to give the word to you, Rui,
Okay.
please.
Thank you, Claudia. Gentlemen, good morning. Thank you for being here. And so, shall we start?
Yeah, of course.
The word smart and smart operations, smart shop floor can be found everywhere. I would like to ask you, how does it look, JUKI smart shop floor, in your perspective? So, Jürgen?
Smart shop floor is not only to have smart people in the production, let's say. For me, smart more. Smart is can be little things where I improve in small steps this goal, Industrial 4.0, and to integrate all the stuff what I have in the production. This is also smart, and smart must not be the total automation of a production, because we have customer, they have different systems from different vendors, and for me it's smart to integrate all them.
Right. Definitely right.
Yeah.
Would you like to add something?
Yeah. From my point of view, also smart is one thing is the full automation, of course, and in line with a very high efficiency of the whole shop floor. Less operators, of course, and also less waste, and like Jürgen said, also flexible to the customer demands. That's my definition.
That's definitely smart.
Yeah.
Bastian?
Of course, when you imagine we have a connection to big data, we always speak about big data, but what does big data mean? In fact, we want to have the easiness of operation at the end of the day. Why do we like to have the easiness of operation? Imagine how challenging it is in those times to hire experienced personnel for a production line as an operator, as a programmer. I can continue this until the end. And even how expensive it is
Definitely.
to hire experienced personnel. So our goal and our target must be to keep it simple and stupid, to get those famous words, simple and stupid, for less skilled operators to run a production line. I mentioned the connection of the big data. The big data means also Industry 4.0, and Industry 4.0 means not only some smart displays or something like that. Industry 4.0 means also that you have to plan your maintenance and collecting data from the machines, drilled down to the nozzles. You can plan your nozzle exchange, your nozzle cleaning, and your maintenance of the machine according to the TPM goals. For those who don't know what TPM means, is total productive maintenance.
Yeah.
So the goal is 0 stops, 0 failures.
Right.
And this is to be achieved only with big data and with smart shop floors.
Okay, so it's clear there are several technical reasons why JUKI is a smart choice, is a smart move for those who are looking to invest in electronics manufacturing. But besides those technical reasons, could you maybe name some other reasons why it is smart to choose JUKI?
Of course. So we decide that we are going with big partners. They are leading in their segment. For example, Siemens. So we decided that we want to go with a process preparation tool. This is a fantastic tool and it's not only, let's say, an calculation of PVB or an import filter. It's more. With the software you can handle your process documentation for the production. You have a function, it's called sticky tape. So you see exactly the dimensions, because we have a cloud database there, and you can load exactly with the NPN number the real dimensions of a component, and then you see on your PVB, on your pads, is this a correct landing or not. And in these times we have a lot of problems to get the right component, so we have to choose a substitute, and this will be a disaster if the substitute is not really fitting on the pads. So this is a really big advantage. So I want to say, like in the past, let's say 30-40 years ago, we have the automotive, and they crashed several cars against the wall to see its safety or not. Now they use a very good software for this, and it's similar. Process preparation is similar. Also, we have another big partner, Kochiscan. He's in the middle. He's in the middle for several brands. So we collect data from all the brands. Also, process preparation is delivering data for several brands for AOI and SPI systems. This is a very good thing, because you save a lot of time. And also we have, of course, Iseji, a fantastic storage system with the software, and they are also leader in this market. Of course, there are some bigger brands, but they are the most flexible brands, and our market is the flexible market in Europe.
That's right. Thank you, Jürgen. So, Stephan?
Yeah, of course, Jürgen mentioned a few examples to join JUKI regarding software, but we also have, of course, we are expert with our JUKI machines, and for all machines where we think we cannot deliver the best thing, of course we have very strong partnerships. For example, we have GKG, we have JTU supplying very good machines for the solder paste printing and reflow soldering. And yeah, of course we are a team with lots of experts, always willing to fulfill the requirements and maybe get some things done that did not work before, but afterwards everything is working fine. So these are, from my point of view, two very strong arguments just to join us.
Definitely. Bastian?
So just having the best available partners in the world, as I heard from you both now. So I think this is a very good way to go, having the best available partners and the biggest suppliers, for example, for the printers in the world.
Yeah, to choose specialized partners, it is definitely a smart move.
Yeah.
Good. Okay, so before we finish, what's new and what's to keep?
I'd like to add something for me,
Please.
because for me going with JUKI means something totally different. When a customer comes to JUKI, we're starting a transformation process with this customer, and we like to transform this customer to a partner, to a real partnership. And of course, we guide our partners, our customers, from the first step, from the first idea of his project, step by step, and we develop this idea together to a project and to a new machine, a new line, whatever you can imagine. So we supply our customers, our partners, the best available way to go for a new line. This is important to mention for me. And also for me, a very big benefit is going with JUKI is having a direct contact up to the management for a customer.
JUKI is small enough still.
Show me please one supplier in the world of the big players where a small customer buying one machine gets a contact to the president.
Thank you. Okay. So just before we finish, thank you, Andres. Just before we finish, what's new and what's to keep for 2022?
So we have what's new, maybe not known, I will say. So we started with smart devices. Of course, we have them. We have Android watches and Android PDAs now for our software packages. Also, JANets from JUKI directly support this now. And of course, Kochiscan support smart devices, and also SHI does support smart devices. So this is one new thing, and especially from SHI, we have now very good news, because maybe it's all is known that our 3600 systems, if they have to handle 7 inches, you get two reels back in one case, and you have to decide which is the correct reel. Of course, we have a small tool who can quickly do that, but now, since this exhibition is available, that we are handling 7-inch single cases direct out of the ISM 3600. This is a big benefit, because the operator have not to think on, is this the right reel or not.
Right. It's much better now. I agree. From your side, what's new?
Yeah, of course. I guess you also noticed that I'm sticking with my machines, especially the printers and the reflow ovens. And of course, we are providing printers from one or maybe even the biggest printer manufacturer in the world.
Yes, it is.
And they have continuous improvement in many little things right now. So we don't have not this killing features for this year, but we notice even from our partnership that they are continuously improving, and so that's a very good thing. So
yeah, that's
I'm
clear.
quite happy about that.
I had the chance recently to work together with you and JUKI, and they are definitely stepping up and getting into this European market. Bastian, from your side.
Yeah, what do we bring to the Productronica 2021?
Right.
We speed up for high volume. We have 100,000 CPH in 1 meter production line. Why do I mention the production line length? Of course, the line length is also important for our customers, because space is also money, and we want to save our customers money in any way we can do this. Right. 100,000 CPH in 1 meter production line length. We offer with this machine the best available value you can get.
Yeah.
And we offer the class leading speed.
Yeah.
We still have our working horse, the RS1 family.
Right.
Why do I mention this? Not the really latest new machine. It's still a very good working horse. I always say you can place the RS1 in a garage and produce in a garage. So we serve two different ways to go with our customers. We have the high volume low mix, and we have the high mix low volume for our EMS customers, and we can solve every question the customer brings to us with our machines.
Okay. Thank you, Bastian.
You're welcome.
Okay, so any further comments? Any of you? Okay, so thank you for your time, and see you soon later today. Thank you, Claudia.
Appreciate it.
Yes, thank you very much to my colleagues for this comprehensive insight into what's going on at JUKI right now. We are going to have more down to the nitty-gritty speeches or shows going on here on stage, and we are going to welcome our partners, which is Kochiscan, which is Siemens. We are welcoming further partners, for example, SMT Renting. We will also welcome customers here on stage. Confed is going to come, and we will have more details on JUKI. What I have taken from this session is that JUKI definitely is more than a supplier, it is a partner. And when you think of JUKI, it is flexibility, it is sturdiness, it is innovation, and it is proximity. We are close to our customers, and this is our spirit. Thank you for watching.